Hey designers, ever wondered why red makes you click or blue makes you trust a brand instantly? In today's video, we're unlocking the secret language of colors in graphic design, so you can design smarter and emotionally connect with your audience. Let's get started. I'm PX Minter, and this is your next design upgrade. Colors aren't just visual. They affect emotions, shape brand perception, and influence user decisions. A strong color strategy can drive attention, boost engagement, and even increase conversions. Red, urgency and excitement. Red is intense. It creates a sense of urgency and is perfect for sales signs, CTA buttons, high-energy ads. Use it when you want people to act fast. Yellow, optimism and creativity. Yellow feels bright, joyful, and youthful. It works great for children-focused brands, creative industries, standing out in ads. Use yellow when you want your design to feel warm and energetic. Green, nature and calm. Green represents balance, health, and safety. Ideal for eco-friendly brands, wellness products, hospitality, and spa design. Use green when you want a calming and trustworthy tone. Blue, trust and reliability. Blue builds confidence and is often used by medical brands, tech companies, corporate websites. Use blue when you want your audience to feel safe and secure. Pro tips for using color in design. Use contrast to improve readability. Stick to 2 to 3 main colors per design. Let color reflect your brand's personality. Always test your colors across light and dark backgrounds. Color is more than beauty, it's strategy. Designing with color psychology in mind can level up your UX, branding, and engagement. Want more graphic design tips like this? Subscribe to PX Minter for weekly content that helps you design like a pro. Stay creative. Stay intentional. This is PX Minter signing off.